Want to adjust or turn off your notifications and Remember the Milk? Here's how to do it. So to change your notification settings in Remember the Milk, all you gotta do is go up to that gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, go down to account settings, click on that, and then go over here to notifications. And here you can choose what you'd like to receive. You can be notified when someone adds you as a contact, someone joins RTM from your invite, someone gives you a task, or someone shares a list with you. And all you gotta do is just uncheck whatever you don't want, and then click Save Changes, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.